Hi, here's a quick demo of a process to add an HTTP request. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to add, let's say, for example, if we don't have a connector and you need to be able to call an API with the HTTP connector, you can just go ahead and add it. So let's just add an HTTP request. Then we will add a connector here. So in this case, we're adding a Typeform HTTP connector using the OAuth 2. So we'll need a couple of things there. Let's go ahead and type the Typeform. And we are going to use OAuth 2. So here are basic parameters that we need to complete in order to get the OAuth authentication. This will allow the actual authentication to be saved in our key vault so that it's not exposed. So we will need a client ID. We're gonna go ahead and look at the client ID in our settings and Typeform. So here we're gonna go here, and here is our client ID. Go back here. We're going to add that. I'm going to add a client secret. I have to generate the client secret. Now we'll have to complete a couple of URLs here, and you can get this URL from here. So this is the authorization URL. We need the token URL. And we need to decide what scope we want to get to. So their scope is defined. So let's just see, here's OAuth 2 scopes. So we wanna just say, let's just see the form elements. Let's take the first one to read the data here. So once we do that, then the connector, like once you add that, it'll just go through this OAuth process, and you can accept it. And once you have the connector added, you can start using it. Basically, just do a get. I hope that helps.